Here we have a 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne, otherwise known as C10. A great year in these trucks. 72, very popular. Right now, trucks in general are quite hot, so we don't expect this one to be around here too long, especially as solid as this is and what it has for options. This particular truck, powered by 350 V8 underneath the hood. I did check the suffix code on it, which was TDJ, which is era correct, 1972 350 4-barrel engine. So engine to be correct for this truck. Can't confirm if it's numbers. I can't see a serialization number on the engine block, and I don't know if they had them on the trucks. But what I can tell you, that's a 350 underneath the hood. It's from 1972. Wouldn't be surprised if this is an original mild truck even. Odometer shows mid 50, 60,000 range. When I get around there, I'll show you that. Cool part about this truck is has AC, power steering, power brakes. Very nicely equipped truck, and the air does blow cold. It has been converted, so everything is ready to go for summer cruising in this one. If you want to check out the still pics so you can see that engine bay, and you'll see what I'm talking about, where it looks like it could be an original mile vehicle, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Truck has had a repaint along the way somewhere, but still retains the green interior, green and white exterior. Again, just very stock looking. Look up and down the side, see how straight this thing is. 350 badging, correct wheel covers. Just a nice, solid stock truck with great options, great runner, nice driver. Spare in the bed. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire about transportation or getting this truck to where you're located at. Feel free to call us 507-386-1726. We're going to take a look at the back of it, just like you would have seen it back in 1972, except for maybe those exhaust pipes coming out the bottom. This truck's got just a little bit of a rumble to it. Nothing crazy. Runs very smooth, sounds good, goes down the road nicely. Again, power steering, power brake, and air conditioning, all standard on this vehicle. Take a look down the driver's side. Again, you see how straight this thing is. Yeah, there's a few scratches and dings in the bed like you'd expect if it has hauled a little bit in its life. But nothing crazy going on back there. All the trim pieces look original on this. Check out this interior. Green vinyl bench seat. It's like original door cards, carpeting, dash. I'm going to go ahead and reach in and fire this up. It should start right up. See how easily that turns over, starts up. Again, great running truck. The headliner, sun visors. I didn't check the radio on this. Let's check the radio. Like I said, the AC does blow cold. And we have some static. Radio does also work. Don't get the best reception where I'm at, but get this one out. Radio is going to be fine in it. Nice, the door closes. Again, give us a call, 507-386-1726 with any questions you might have. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. There you hear a little bit of that rumble out of that 350. And again, check out the undersides. You want to see the undercarriage pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And this hood popped open pretty easy. I don't even think I need to pause the video here. I think I can get this hood open. Let's try it a second. As easy as that. One-handed even. Check out that engine bay. Nice running engine. You see how tight it is and how stock it looks. There's your air conditioning components. AC does blow cold once again. There you have it. 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne or C10. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And once again, that website to check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.